I love Animal Crossing New Horizons. One of my favorite activities to do in the game is collecting furniture sets. I also really enjoy collecting furniture sets in real life in the form of miniatures, so I wondered, is there a way I can take these two distinct things that I like and join them together? Can I take these designs from the game and bring them into the real world? Hi, I'm Flora. I'm a 2D artist learning 3D modeling and printing. In this video, I'm going to show you each step that I took to create this 3D printed miniature set from Animal Crossing. I chose the easiest furniture set in Animal Crossing to start as my first project, which is the Simple set. I started modeling it in the order of difficulty: the stool, the bed, the desk, the chair, the dresser, the vanity, and finally the couch. It's got pretty basic shapes and looks mostly doable with the beginner Blender skills I have. Blender is the software that I chose to model with. Even then, I still found it really challenging and had to try many different ways to try to make everything look cohesive, in the right scale, and also as close to the original design as possible. I wanted it to be as functional as possible, so I modeled the drawers of the dresser and the vanity on their own as separate objects so that I'd be able to pull them out. The couch I actually could not figure out how to do on my own, so I had to reach out to a 3D artist friend of mine to show me how to get the cushions with the button pushed in look. When choosing a 3D printer, I went straight for a resin printer, which was really challenging. But I knew that I wanted to make miniatures, and at the 1/64 scale, I figured that resin printing would give me the amount of details that I wanted to achieve. I think the steepest learning curve by far was learning how to slice my models in Shittybox. At the beginning, I got many failed prints just from not supporting properly. My objects would come out warped, squished, missing parts, or sometimes missing entirely. biggest challenge was actually the drawers, because I kept printing them too wide at the beginning and I didn't know what the right clearance was supposed to be, so I just had to print and reprint and keep trying until I hit the sweet spot where they would slide out easily, but not so easily that they would fall out when tipped over. Working at this scale, I noticed that a 0.1 millimeter change can make a big difference. The primer that I sprayed and the paint that I used caused the drawers to gain even more thickness, which made it even harder for them to fit into the dresser and the vanity. I'd like to go over all the mistakes that I encountered during this process, but I'll probably have to make a separate video for that because I encountered a lot. Looking at the final result, I have to say that it didn't come out exactly as I had hoped. The desk came out a little bit warped because I printed it flat against the printer bed. And the couch is slightly off color as the rest of the furniture in this shade of green because I had to repaint it, and when I remixed the colors I wasn't able to achieve the exact same green as before. There are many things that I could do better on the next project, but I also did want to celebrate what I was able to accomplish this time. I wanted to create a tangible set of the simple furniture from Animal Crossing, and I think I was able to do that. There's something really special and fulfilling about being able to touch what I created in a digital space. Thank you for joining me at the beginning of my 3D printing journey. I hope you enjoyed watching my process and that you'll join me on my next adventure. Bye!